Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Air Force 1 07 WB. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Air Force 1 07 WB shoes. And this pair is the men's UK size 8, US 9, Europe 42.5, Brazil 40.5, 27 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 10.5. And this pair is in the black colorway, and the style is CJ 9179-001. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid to reveal the contents inside, and let's lift the pair of Nike Air Force 1 07 WB shoes out from the box. And just close this box back down and setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at the shoes before I start handling them and taking much closer in looks. So let's set the right shoe in the background on the right as we focus in on the left shoe first. So giving you a look at the left shoe. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have that full and clear look of the shoe before we take much closer in looks at its details. So you can see the overall dark colorway of the shoe, and with the upper in a very sleek and soft nubuck leather. You can see it does have a very dark green appearance to it, and of course contrasting with the black Nike swoosh and black midsole and outsole and sole itself. So let's take much closer in looks at its details. So we can see the perforations on the toe box, and once again that dark green nubuck leather detailing on the toe box as well as the mudguard as well. So giving you a close-up look at the details there, and the very fine graining of that nubuck. And as we move towards the midfoot area, you can see once again vent holes for the midfoot panel, as well as that black Nike swoosh overlaying on top of the panels across the upper. So giving you a close-up look at that detailing of that Nike swoosh and the various panels. And as we take a look towards the top of the shoe, we can see the laces have a boot-like design to them, being round, and of course that hex nut eyelet there on the top part of the eye stay for the laces. That industrial look to it. So just giving you a look at that hex nut for that eyelet or eye hole at the top of the shoe. Now moving towards the back part, once again the continuation of that black Nike swoosh and the very velvety soft nubuck leather in that dark green finish, and of course we can see the air molding on the midsole part of the shoe, indicating that the shoe is equipped with Nike Air cushioning in it. And at the back part we can see a embossed Nike Air branding on the back tab or heel tab. So giving you a look at that detail right there. And of course further out for a bit more perspective. So very dark elements throughout. And just to clarify, it is embossed, not inlaid with any colouring whatsoever as far as I can tell. And then back towards the inner part of the shoe. So once again, those dark green nubuck panels, and that top uppermost panel or overlay with that black Nike swoosh with matching black stitching. And back towards the front, but before, once again, we see a hex nut for that top eyelet of the shoe. And back towards the front with the toe box perforations and the mud guard as well in that nubuck leather. Now taking a look directly from the front tip or toe of the shoe and moving slowly along the length of it to give you the full detail across from the front to the back of the shoe. So once again, laces in black with that round boot-like styling to them or design to them. And with the tongue, let's take a look. We can see a green or dark green tongue patch label with the Nike Air branding and Air Force One details just about, given that it is dark on dark colors. And let's pop out the shoe tree card and of course take a look at the details around on the back part of the tongue. So once again, dark on dark details with, I suppose, what would normally be the Nike trademark details, which I can barely make out, but nonetheless giving you a look around the inside details of the shoe. So just squeezing around the ankle and heel collar. It feels really plush with the lining, as you can see. It does have a kind of suede like finish to the inside lining of the shoe. And in terms of the thickness or firmness, it is fairly thick, and in terms of firmness, I'd say soft to medium in firmness. Okay, so giving you a clearer look at the inside details of the shoe with the labels and of course the material sticker or materials label that's on the sock liner or insole, which appears to be in black. And there we go, giving you a proper look or better look at that label that's inside of the shoe. Okay, and now taking a further out look, and of course at the bottom of the shoe or sole of the shoe, we can see entirely in black with the standard or traditional Nike Air Force One traction pattern. And actually it is not black, it is more of anthracite or really dark grey with translucent finishing or translucent design, as we can see just about right through to the midsole of the shoe, especially in this section here where the material or sole is thinner. So a translucent sole in this very dark grey or near black. And to give you some sense of this rubber sole, just dragging my finger and tapping my fingernail on it. Now let's do a flexibility, bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, stiffness, pliability or softness. And now just popping the shoe back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. Just setting the left shoe down, and in the background as we move the right shoe in frame. And of course let's do a 360 rotation with this side as well, so you have that full and complete look at the shoe before we take much closer in looks at its details. So once again we see the overall dark green nubuck of the upper of the shoe, and contrasting with the black laces, black tongue, and black Nike swoosh, and that black midsole as well. However, of course, we've realized or identified that the sole or outsole is in a translucent anthracite or translucent black design, and of course in rubber. And we can just about see the structure of the midsole through the most depressed part of the sole where the arch is, with that Nike branding. Nonetheless, taking an overall look at the shoe's details on the outer side as well, so there, giving you a further out look. And of course the industrial touches for that work boot or WB styling with those metal hex nuts making up the eyelets at the top of the shoe. And of course let's pop out the paper stuffing from this side as well to take a better look around the inside details of the shoe. So you can see now there appears to be a grey Nike Air branding on that black sock liner or insole, and of course pretty much dark throughout the inside of the shoe. And of course the lining, once again, that velvety suede-like or micro suede almost feel of the lining or texture. Okay, now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. The bottoms of the shoes, or soles of the shoes, and from the top as well. So that's Nike Air Force 1 07 WB. Thanks for watching and happy walking!